Hi everyone, I'm Edward, your pre-sales specialist at SpinetiX. We're here at ISE 2026, and today I would like to show you our last Q-SYS plugin. Thanks to our Q-SYS plugin, we can trigger some content, image, video, HTML, streaming, or even alpha channel. If we take a look here, if I press the Q-SYS button, we have the Q-SYS content on the screen, perfectly synchronized between outputs and between the players. We can also trigger alpha channel because Barcelona is the city of football. It's also possible to trigger some name for personalized experience. So if I press ISE TV here, we have ISE TV on the screen. Second thing I'd like to show you is our partnership with Bluefin. Here in this touch panel we have our operating system inside, and it has two purposes. First one, we can also trigger some content, so it's a remote control of another player. Here we focus on our four verticals: corporate, large venues, manufacturing, and luxury retail. Second purpose, as it's a player, we can use it in a kiosk mode, and for a VIP experience in stadium, for instance, it's possible to watch the game live or watch some replays if you missed the goal. And of course, monetize your digital signage by displaying the HTML page of the shop so people can buy some shirts, for instance. Thank you very much. If you have some project, please contact us and go to SpinetiX.com. Thank you.